Welcome to Deflecktor and our installation video for the hard spot cover, the simplest solution to a complex problem: 4 posts, 1 spring, and a cover. Let's begin by focusing our attention on the installation of the 4 posts. Hand thread each post onto the exposed, clean thread of every other hub stud bolt until the post stops atop a flat hub nut. Three exposed threads at a minimum are required. Do not remove the flat axle hub nuts. With a 1/2-inch ratchet, tighten post 45 degrees to snug it up. Do not over torque. 45 degrees is 1/8 of a rotation, or 1 slice of pie or pizza. Make sure the posts are firmly installed and aligned to the wheel's edge. Find the enclosed spring and install it onto the spring channel on the post nearest the base, making sure the central arc of the bend is outward. On the opposite post, snap the spring into the spring channel. To install cover after hub posts and spring are securely installed, hold the cover from above with one of the 4 mounting plate arrows on the stainless plate aligned with the lowest hub post. With modest inward pressure applied to the center of the cover, align the cover to the wheel's edge. Rotate cover clockwise. As you release pressure on its center, the cover should pop out to a secure running position, concentric to the wheel's edge. These instructions are intended to be a guide to proper installation.